Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 30 monuments of India. Taj Mahal, Agra. Red Fort, Delhi. India Gate, Delhi. Qutub Minar, Delhi. Gateway of India, Mumbai. Ajanta Caves, Maharashtra. Ellora Caves, Maharashtra. Hawa Mahal, Jaipur. Amar Fort, Jaipur. City Palace, Udaipur. Lake Palace, Udaipur. Sun Temple, Konark. Khajuraho Temples, Madhya Pradesh. Sanchi Stupa, Madhya Pradesh. Charminar, Hyderabad. Golconda Fort, Hyderabad. Meenakshi Temple, Madurai. Brihadishwara Temple, Tanjavur. Mysore Palace, Mysore. Vithala Temple, Hampi. Golden Temple, Amritsar. Jallianwala Bagh, Amritsar. Cellular Jail, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Victoria Memorial, Kolkata. Howrah Bridge, Kolkata. Rani Ki Vav, Gujarat. Statue of Unity, Gujarat. Fatehpur Sikri, Uttar Pradesh. Gwalior Fort, Madhya Pradesh. Lotus Temple, Delhi. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.